Bigyan ko lang ng perspective itong si OX Score tapos Blast Score. Potential airdrop ito under Linea ecosystem. So, andito siya sa pinaka website ecosystem ni Linea, no? And on perspective ko, I think there's a high probability that could potentially, no, na magkaroon din sila ng potential airdrop. So, discuss ko lang dito guys kung ano yung mga kailangan, ano yung requirements. It's basic lang guys, no. So kung meron kang cellphone is that pwede naman. So before tayo mag-start, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to, please like this video first. Subscribe yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel. So itong kay OX Core guys is that pa-participate ka dun sa mga quest and magkakaroon ka nung pinaka-points, no. So, as of the moment, I have 25 points. Tapos, accessible campaigns. Meron ditong 15, no, na available. Tapos, nakakomplete na ako dito ng 7. So, basic lang naman dito, guys. See, for example, you have this MetaMask. Yun yung isa sa mga kailangan as your wallet in case na mag-open sila ng pinaka-token sila is that doon mapupunta yung pinaka-allocation mo for the airdrop, no. So, another requirements dito is that kailan meron kang X account, no, or Twitter, previously Twitter, and Discord, no. So, itong dalawang to kailangan just to connect and to verify that you are not a robot, you're not a bot. So, isa sa mga requirements tong Discord and Twitter, guys, no. So, pagkatapos niyan, say for example, meron ako ditong na tapos na itong kay Blast Score. So, yung ginawa ko lang dito is just to follow, tapos like, and meron po dyang retweet or bisitahin yung pinaka-website. So, say for example, ito yung pinaka-website ni Blast Score. And you can earn as well dito ng pinaka-XP. As of the moment, meron akong 10 dyan. Yung mga official link neto guys, ilalagay ko na lang sa description ng video na to for this Blast Score and itong kay OX Score campaign guys, no. So, on perspective kasi Linea is that if you can see sa MetaMask, added na yung Linea chain. So, for me, on perspective ko is that magkakaroon to ng, hopefully, in the future is that magkakaroon siya ng tokens or governance tokens is that we'll see guys, no. So yun lang, a quick update lang dito, some potential airdrop added on my list, and meron tayong mga airdrops pa dyan sa ating YouTube channel. I think early 2024 ito yung isa sa mga nakita ko narrative in crypto space guys, no. Pero after maybe Q1 is that the market will flip into other alternative ng pinupuntahan ng community na. So yeah, as of the moment, this one was already added on my airdrop list, no. So mga watch list ko, daily activities ko, OX Score and itong kay Blast Score guys, no. I'll put all the details, official links down in the description, no. Yun, hope this video helps guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.